When you're ready to go live, exporting your bot from AlgoBuilder and running it in MetaTrader 5 is simple. First, finish building and saving your strategy inside AlgoBuilder. Click the Download MQL5 file button and download the file to your computer. Now open MetaTrader 5. Click File, then open Data folder. In the window that opens, go to MQL5 and then to the Experts folder. Copy the file you downloaded from AlgoBuilder into this folder. Double-click on the file that has the extension MQ5 and the meta editor will open. You just need to click on the Compile button at the top. This will create a new file with the extension X5, which means that you are finally ready to use your new Expert Advisor. You can now go back to your MT5 terminal and drag your Expert Advisor onto a chart. For that, you just need to close and reopen MetaTrader 5 or refresh the Navigator panel. In the Navigator, open the Experts folder. You should now see your bot listed. Make sure auto trading is enabled at the top of the platform. In the EA settings, adjust your lot size, risk, or inputs if needed. Once you're done, click OK. Your bot is now live and ready to trade, directly inside MetaTrader 5. You're all set. If you need help building, testing, or improving your bots, we've got step-by-step videos waiting for you. Thank you for watching.